Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Dee and I'm back again with another video. How you guys are doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So guys, my photo, how do I call them? Is it photo album or sorry enlargements? They are here, they are here, they are here, they are here. They came all the way from Kaduna and I just want to unbox it and show you guys before I start like putting them wherever I want to put them. But first, if you've not subscribed, please go subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly do not forget to share. I don't really know why this lighting is not giving me, it's not lighting enough. Okay, so just ignore my hair. Let's just dive right into this video because this video should be a quick one, no long thing. Okay, so yeah, let's go there guys. So guys, this is the first one and this is the size. This is how it is. Yeah, babe, you can pass. This is how it is and it has this name here, PM Daisy 86 exclusive. This was a gift given to me by my TikTok mother. Okay, yeah, this was a gift given to me by my TikTok mother, so that's why I just have to place this one here so that whenever anybody is just coming in, the first thing you're going to be seeing is this very beautiful. In fact, let me go back so you guys will see the how it is. You can see it is very big and wide enough. I so much thank her. Okay, it was given to me by my TikTok mother and my TikTok daddy. Yes, because they are both friends. This PM here is for my daddy, then the Zeal 86 exclusive is my mama. Okay, so that's why it is PM underscore the Zeal 86 exclusive, and I so love this and I'm really grateful. Okay, so yeah, let's move to the second one so that you guys will see because I've not hung to those ones. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is the second one and this is given to me by my mommy's sister, what, my auntie. Okay, I don't know why they love this picture so much. So imagine this particular picture came to, you can see the length or the size of this particular one, and this is how it is. This is how beautiful it is. People love this picture so much. You guys should let me in the comment section because trust me, this picture is actually not my favorite among all those pictures. The one I love so much, love so much, is the next one I'm going to show you, and it's still given to me. It was given to me still by the same auntie, so she did two for me, which is this one, and then let me bring the second one so that you guys will see because right now I don't have my tripod there, so I just have to hold this thing and be showing you guys one after the other on the dining. Okay, so yeah, let me show you the second one guys. So guys, this is the second one and it was still given to me by my auntie, like I've said earlier, and I so much love this one. Like, this is actually my best. This is, out of all the pictures I took for my pre-wedding photo shoot, this was the one I love so much. I don't know why, probably because of the way I smile. I really do not know, but trust me guys, I really love this one. So when she brought this one, I was like, oh my god, because she brought the two and she also gave me a throw pillow. I'm going to be showing you those throw pillows and every other stuff whenever I'm doing my wedding gift unboxing and the rest of that. So yeah, let me know between this particular picture and this other one I show you that they've already given me two of it as enlargement, which do you prefer best? Let me know in the comment section and I will be so grateful. So now let's move to the next photo album. Okay, let's go there guys. So yes guys, this is my traditional marriage photo enlargement. You can see how beautiful it is. So we actually did this one with my husband actually did this one. Okay, so we did it, I would say we because we are one now. We actually did one of this one and one of our white wedding on. So this was actually not a gift, it was part of the money we paid the photographer, and yeah, this was how it is from hair to toe. I so much love every detailing and the work of this photographer because the back of this enlargement is so hard. Okay, in fact, let me flip it and show you guys before I continue. So you can imagine how the back it looks so solid, and before this one go crack, and according to what he told us, be it heat or Hamatan season or any other season, we not get it spoiled because he said, I don't know how true it is, so you guys should let me know in the comment section how true it is, that if you did not get a better one, you might ended up having a get spoiled during Hamatan or heat. I don't know how true it is, okay, because I'm not a photographer. So yeah, you guys can see how beautiful this is. I so love this. I love every detailing I'm seeing it. Okay, I love everything I'm seeing, everything from head to toe. Oh my god, this girl is a beautiful bride now. It's not essay, it's not essay. Let's move to the next one, guys, so we can end this video quickly. Oh my god, can you see this? This is for our wedding, our white wedding. Okay, this is so beautiful, every detailing about it. In fact, this camera is actually not giving justice. I wish I have my normal camera so that you guys can see the beauty of this particular enlargement. You can see how beautiful it is. And trust me, when I'm done hanging it, you guys, I'm going to be doing another video and you guys will be seeing all of that. Okay, because I know that this particular one, I'm going to be ending this vlog because I don't have time and I don't have strength. Okay, so yeah, let me know in the comment section, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the white wedding one, or you prefer the traditional marriage, or you prefer the one I was gifted? Let me know in the comment section. I would so love to hear your opinion. But so far so good. I'm so grateful to all the gifters, and all we are saying is thank you. The love is massive. And yeah, so oh my god, if I go camera today. So yeah guys, this is everything. Oh my god, let me drop it here because this thing is not giving me the vibes. It's not for babe. Wisdom. He will tell me that wisdom. Anyways, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful unboxing. Like I said, let me know which you prefer more, and I'll really love to hear from you guys. Okay, this light reflection here, I think most of the times if I'm doing video, I'll be facing this side if I'm sitting on dining, because like I'm having a whole lot of light reflection there. And when I was turning as well, I'm having another light reflection here. The lightning is something else. Okay, so this is what I said I should show you. Got my all my enlargement pictures, gifts and ungifted from Kaduna, and I decided to like unbox and show you guys. Okay, hope this video is interesting. Even if it's not interesting, Biko, as usual, you should just help me like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Lately, and guys, I've been having this reaction. You can see my chest, pimples everywhere. I didn't change soap, so I will not even say it's because I changed soap. So I didn't change soap, and I didn't even change cream because I'm not the cream changing soap type. But anyways, we move. Okay. We move. Hey, see as my baby is doing gently so that his voice will not enter here. Guys, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for other persons to get this good news, because this is a good news. Without further ado, I do like always in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye guys, I love you. Mwah.